Howdy doody guys, it's Tony from Tony's RC Tech. Right, thanks for watching first of all. Thanks for your subs and all that stuff and your kind comments and all that, unbelievable. Anyways, I'm going to do my unboxing here of my first little rock crawler. And before I got this rock crawler, I didn't see no reviews or nothing. So I bought this rock crawler and then I seen a review, which was on SHEN RC and my mate Stevie. Right, so he's done a review. I'm going to put that in the link as well. You know, because he goes over all the rocks and everything, and he's absolutely fantastic at reviews. Anyways, so one day I might be like that. I don't know. Anyways, so here's my rock crawler. Here's the box. So anyway, it is SGILE. SGILE of the company, I think it is. Yeah, so it's a rock climber, a monster climbing car. And basically it has got 4-wheel drive, it's got 2.4 gigahertz remote control, it's got inclining, it's got shock absorbers, dual motors and rubber tyres, also got anti-collision structural of car body, I think I know what that means, flexible steering gear control, shock-proof suspension system and hollow rubber tyres. And what made me buy this as well, guys, is because it's got a metal body on it as well. And you won't believe the price when I tell you the price of it. Again, I'm going to leave all the links and everything below. And I'll leave the 2 links as well of for the USA and for UK as well. So there's the 2 links for the both of them. Anyways, right, so I was quite excited to unbox this. And obviously I'm going to unbox it all that, take it all out. No, I'm not. I'm just going to do that. Because it saves time, and here we go. Here it is. This is it. This is the rock crawler. Honest to God, when he said 1.14 scale, 14 scale, I thought it was going to be about this big. I thought it was literally going to be small. I thought it because when I tell you the price, you'll know why I bought it. So, anyways, unbelievable. The tyres, fantastic. The tyres, proper nice grip on them. Right, but just move this out of the way. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that. That's me just pushing on it. It's got a nice grip on it. Again, I'm going to, it's got like all fantastic detail as well, and it's got the steering wheel dashboard, so I'm going to put a little fella in here, like that. I'm going to do all my little weathering. It's got like little fire extinguishers there. Again, you can't really see them there. So once I highlight it with the weathering and that, it'll be fantastic. Yeah, suspension on it, so I don't know what that's like. Oh yeah, that's alright, isn't it? So that moves that way. And that way, absolutely superb. Right, also it comes with a remote control which takes 2 batteries as well. That takes 2 batteries on the remote control. A couple of buttons here. Again, I'll figure out that in a minute. Also instructions as well, SGILE's instructions. So it's got the manual there. So that's quite good. Gets you started, doesn't it? It also comes with a USB charger as well, which is in the living room because I'm charging the batteries, and that's why I wanted to do it. Just didn't put a full charge, so just want to do a quick little charge for it, just so I can do a little review. So anyway, so there it is, guys, and I'm going to tell you the price now. The price of this is £23. Oh my God, it's like the Brave thing. You know the Brave, £26? This is £23, unbelievable. Look at that, unbelievable. I mean, even the decals on it, the paintwork is fantastic. You can put some LEDs here, some LEDs on the back. It's got plenty of room there to put the LEDs in. £23, guys. I mean, how can you even sell it for that? Unbelievable. Shouldn't even say that really, because when I said about the Brave, it went up from 26 to 33. So it's like, I don't know if you know, Aldi. Yeah, once it's gone, it's gone. So get your bargains when you can, guys, because this is superb. And then when I seen Steve's after I bought it, I thought, oh my God, I couldn't believe how good it moved. So we'll get onto his channel and have a look at it as well. On SHEN RC, guys, by the way. So I don't think I've missed anything out. I don't think so. Right, guys. Right, so basically, what to tell you, by the way, this truck comes with 2 of these batteries, which is obviously 4.8 volt, 700 milliamp lipos, yeah. So there's the batteries there, guys. Again, you can change all the connectors so you can get more range of batteries on the interweb. So how you change them is so simple. It's basically in there, in the bottom, connect the connectors, clip that on there, and done. Also, I forgot to say about the remote control. It's got a left and a right, so you can put it on the left or the right, which is good. So I'll turn that on. Turn that on. Right, so as you can see, it's not proportional steering, but you can get little servos and everything. So the WPL toys, people have changed them servos round and all that, so it's pretty easy enough to do. Again, just go on YouTube and people are doing it all the time. And let's see how the speed. Or you can do it slow as well and fast. So slow, so it's proportional driving. So let's see. Oh, wasn't expected to be that fast. Whoa. Okay. So I'm going to do a little test in the living room. I was going to do one outside, but it's only my little test. I'm going to do a better one soon. Because it's raining in England again. England raining. So anyways, I'm just going to do a quick test in the living room, just see how it's like. I said I don't have much battery charges left in these batteries, so we'll just see. So let's get to it. Guys, here he is. Let's have a little go now, see how fast he is or whatever. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, it's not bad. Well, that's a little circuit. There you are. Again, I don't have much batteries left in this truck. I'll tell you what, he's fast, isn't he? And the steering's alright as well. Go that way, go that way. Go that way, over there. Oh, that was my fault. A bit of bashing going on in the living room. Right, so, let's just see. Let's see if he can go over there. Right, over the little terrain right there. Okay, let's have a go. Yeah. Oh, he's doing it. Oh, look at that. Straight over. Straight over again. Let me see if we can go back. Oh, oh, carefully, toe. Carefully, carefully. Oh, he's done it. Fantastic. £23, guys. Metal frame. Rubber tyres. 4-wheel drive. Oh yeah, here we go. That's a bit of a rough terrain. I don't know, what can you do there? It's just unbelievable price. Oh, hang on a minute, that was my fault. I don't know if I'm getting this, guys, on the because I've got my head cam on again, but I can't because it's so small area. I don't know if I'm getting it all. So I apologise if I'm not getting it all, guys. Oh, hang on. Let's try go over this bit again. I'll do a proper test outside when it stops raining. Oh, back again. Let's see if it'll go up that, like, a little bit of a bump there. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. Ah, no. That was my fault again. Hang on. Don't forget, guys, I do bashing. Hang on. Oh. Alright, do you know what? That'll do for now then, guys. But I think it's cool. Oh yeah, backwards. Oh, with that, no problem, no. Let's try and go fast. Ah, I knew that was going to happen when I was going fast. Let's go fast. Ah, I can't do it fast. Right, so anyway, there it is, guys. SGILE monster truck crawler. Love it. Right, guys, I've just realised I've got something else on here to show you. On this button here, yeah, it's called auto demo button. So I thought, what's this? And this is it. Watch this, guys, for auto demo. Watch, I'm going to press it and then put the remote control on the floor. You ready? There it is, look. On its own. So that's backwards and forwards. Look at that. And I think if you press it again, it does a different other thing. Right there. Right, so if I press it again. So it's doing something else different now. That's not me, by the way, look. There's the remote control. And then you just do it again. It's gone in there, look. I just come out. Anyway, I just had to show you that. Let me just stop it now because it's going wild. So anyway, I thought I'd have to show you that. He's a nice little truck, him, I tell you. So there he is, guys. £23. Boom. Look at that. It's just cool. Can't wait to get this outside. Go on a bit of a trail and that. I mean, I know it's not one of your deer up rock claws, but for £23 you can't argue, mate. I know I keep saying it because I just can't believe it. Anyway, so anyway, guys, I really appreciate you watching my channel. I hope you like this unboxing. Might be a bit long, the video, but it's an unboxing, innit? So it was a little unboxing, a little test. Hope you like it, guys. And thanks everyone for watching. Really appreciate it. That's Tony's RC Tech out. A boom.